Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Find Out Friday. Today is going to be a day for finding out. The teachers would like you to spend the whole day working on a project so that you can create the most amazing work that you can. What you need to do is listen to and read the information and have great fun finding out all about an animal of your choice. You can create your project in any way you would like to, but remember you're going to present your project to your classmates next week. You can use a big piece of paper or put it in your scrapbook, or if you really want to try and be clever, you can do it on the computer if your parents let you. Your choice. We're going to be sharing them in our small group Zooms next week. We hope you have a great day and we're looking forward to seeing your projects. What we want you to do is to start off by looking at, just to get you in the mood, looking at these three little clips here. One's called Weirdest Creatures, one's called Cutest Creatures, and one is called Clever Creatures. So if you click on those links, they should take you to those so you can have a look at them. Hope you like them. Now we're going to sing a song, an old favourite, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So click on this link, get yourself up and about and sing Old MacDonald Had a Farm. All right, well done. Now, what I'd like you to do now is click on this red link here that says Farm Scavenger Hunt. While you're watching this little clip about going around the farm, you have to fill in the spider map to show what animals are on the farm. In the middle of this spider map will be the heading, The Farm. And then you have to show a picture of each of the animals that the lady shows you on the farm. There's one extra leg, so you can draw an animal of your own that you might find on the farm. Now, you need to choose one of those animals out of your spider map, and you need to draw a detailed picture of that animal and label all the parts of the animal. For example, you might label the head, the tail, the legs, the beak, the whiskers, the mane, the hooves, whatever you have in your animal, but you have to draw a really detailed animal. Don't forget to put a line from the word to the part of the animal you're labeling. So if you write the word head, you need to put a line to their head. If you write the word nose, you need to put a line to their nose. Okay, good job. All right, next, whatever animal you've chosen now, you have to take a closer look at that animal. And while you're watching it, this is the little clips about, or the little clip about the animal you've chosen. You need to write down 3 interesting facts that you hear about the animal. If you've chosen your own animal, then ask Mum or Dad to see if they can find an Animal for Kids YouTube clip about your animal. What you need to do is click on the word underneath the animal and it will come up with a link that will take you to where you have to go. Now don't forget, you're just trying to do your best writing, okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, just your best. Try your hardest. Good job. All right, next job. You might have had a break by now. Next job, you have to use those 3 things that you wrote before and you have to write them into 2 sentences. We call this an information report. You're giving us information about your animal and we don't want you to tell us something that we might already know. Try and share something that is interesting or unique about your animal. And don't forget, children, this is just have a go writing. Doesn't matter if you get the spelling wrong, just have a go. After you've finished, you might like to get a parent to help you by reading it back to them and they might be able to help you with some of the words that were a bit tricky. Can't wait to read your sentences. All right, now here's another fun part. What you can do now is you have to find anything you can from around your house and make a model of your chosen animal. So you might use Play-Doh, Lego, boxes, paper, egg cartons, whatever you find around the house. See if you can also make the habitat that your animal lives in. So if you're doing a hen, you might do the chicken coop. If you're doing a horse, you might do the paddock that the horse lives in. Can you please take a photo to add to your project, to stick on your project, or you might want to bring it along to share when you do your presentation next week. Have fun doing that. All right, now, here's a little word search for you to try and do. Okay, the words are down the side and the words are hidden in the puzzle. Hope you have fun doing that. And here is an I spy. It's a farm, I spy, and count to 20. Try and find 20 of each of those things in the I spy. Wonder if you can do it. This one is how many words can you read in 1 minute? See if you can get faster the more you do it. So ask someone in your house to get a timer for you, or you can do the timing yourself. Set the timer, try and read as many words as you can, write it down, set the timer again, try and read as many words as you can, write it down, and they're all our words that we've practiced a lot that we can tap out on our arm. We call them CVC words. All right, have fun with that. And here is a colour by number for you. So you can print it off if you want to, or if you want to, you might be able to use something on the screen to colour it in. That's up to you. Number 1 is yellow. Number 2 is light blue. Number 3 is blue. Number 4 is red. Number 5 is grey. Number 6 is brown. Number 7 is pink. And number 8 is green. Can't wait to see these finished colourings. All right, now if you have time today, you can go onto these websites below and explore and join in some virtual tours. There is so much to see. Let the teacher know what great things you discover. So you can go to Sea Life Melbourne and you can have a look on there, and they feed some animals, and you can go and look at what's happening in the water, underwater at the sea, at the aquarium. Or you might want to go to the Phillip Island Penguin Reserve. If you go there, and if you go there at 6 o'clock, you actually get to see the penguins coming in from the ocean live. But there's other things you can do in the meantime. And then there's Zoos Victoria. If you go there, you can go to Melbourne Zoo, Werribee Zoo, or Healesville Sanctuary, and there's heaps of things to look at there too. All right, have fun searching through that. That's going to take you a while. All right, well done, superstars. You have created an amazing project, completed some farm activities, and been on a tour of some of Victoria's terrific attractions. We hope you've had fun. If you want to relax and have a chill now, you can watch the Little People show below. Have a fabulous weekend, and we will see you on Monday. Well done, everybody.